how to mute Discord notifications. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord and then click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're here, scroll down to the app settings section and from there click on notifications. A pop-up window will appear at the bottom which has three options. The first one is the system notifications, which allows you to get notifications outside of Discord. Click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. The second option is the in-app notifications, which allows you to get notifications within Discord. Click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. And the third option is the tweak notification settings, which is an option that allows you to customize Discord notifications in your phone system. So click on it. You will be redirected to this page right here, which is your phone system Discord notification section. And here you will have the option to turn off the notifications altogether, to mute them, or you can turn some off and leave others on. It's like I'm doing here. But for the sake of this video, which is muting all notifications on Discord, I will turn it all off. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off notifications of Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.